Hi everyone, this is Lego Fire Department here. Today is my Lego overview. Cool, huh? So, this right here, this is Ladder 6002. This set comes with a hose for a fire hydrant, and let's show you that. I don't know where here. Here it is. You just attach the hose to the hydrant like this, and there you go. You got like they're really pumping water out. Second, these you can hang. Whoa, whoa. You can hang firefighters on pole like that. And I can hang them like that. There's also a box in here full of attachments. Get it out there. You need to open the door. The door's not opening. Shoot. There's a box full of attachments and stuff. Alright. Here's our little Zilla box. It's got a mask, an air breathing thing, an adapter for a hose, and a water squirter for a hose. I think you can actually, this and the hose is compatible. So, just slide it back in there. Okay, next we have, oh wait, there's a couple things. Radio, hose, wrench, saw, axe, and hydrant. I'm sorry the lighting might be bad and you can't see this, but go there. Next is airport fire 616. All these open up. This has a box just like the other one. Air breathing mask and water thing. Well, I don't know how close you can see. It's got this opening thing. Got our firefighters here. We got our water cannon, which is awesome. You can put this in, it looks like it's running water out. And we got a saw and an axe back there, so that was actually that's one of my favorite ones. Being on clearance. Next is the get everything for this one. Squad. Whoa. Squad 7208. Now I carry these in the fire station, but they're supposed to go on the squad or whatever. Air breathing and a mask. Two firefighters, two hydrants, one on each side. I keep one air breathing and one mask back here. So that's about it for that squad. Next is Water 7208. Water 728 got this function where it's a high-rise building. There's a firefighter that can climb up to it. Stems long ways. This opens up, and yes, I just messed it up. You gotta be very careful with this one. Okay, so this basically just took the whole piece off here. Wasn't really good. Uh-oh. I've had problems with this truck in the past, and it feels like I'm going to have continuing problems with this truck. That's what it was supposed to look like. Okay, there's supposed to be another like light thing over here. Oh, there it is. And all blue here. Actually, it goes this way. It does, doesn't it? Okay. There, so that's specs. Hose, wire extension. This opens up. Captain, this is a captain one. The way he's different from the others is he's got a silver hat. Wow. And this is actually my second channel that I post videos on. This is connected with the Northern Earthman thing. I am Northern Earthman. Well, this is the Legos I have. That I make stories about them and stuff like that. Next, you guys out on that one. We got our fire station. I'm just gonna give you a rundown of it. Holders right here. Door 1, door 2, beds, TV, coffee, response center, telephone, coffee thing, coffee, chair, antenna, satellite, and these gates things. So that's about it for those. You guys have any? I guess. I will get some pictures up and stuff. Door with the Lego thing. I'll figure something out how to do. Oh, paramedic truck. These open up. This comes off. Stretcher and night bag. Stretcher inside. And I've got all my trucks. No, wait, there's one more. I can't jump to conclusions. I can get up somewhere. I'm gonna move these trucks over here. I put all. I just let you know the nerve thing. All my blasters in a bin. I put all my blasters in a bin here. That there. Put that there. Put that there. Oops. This is it. This is the squad. These open up. Ladder, dude. And this is Lego Fire Department. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.